What if your future job is teaching an AI how to do your current job? For hundreds of years, we were taught how to get a job. But what happens when machines can do the job? What exactly are we supposed to teach humans? And here's the part that scares me. If AI does the boring job and humans are free to create, play, explore, what will we live for? Maybe the future isn't about humans competing with machines. Maybe it's about figuring out what humans are actually for. And that is where things get interesting. I don't have the answer yet. Do you?